Guinea pigs are adorable and social creatures that make wonderful pets. However, taking care of them requires proper knowledge and dedication. In this video, we'll cover all the essential aspects of guinea pig care to ensure that your furry friend stays happy and healthy. First and foremost, your guinea pig needs a safe and comfortable living environment. Make sure their cage is spacious enough to move around and has appropriate bedding, such as hay or paper-based products. Next, guinea pigs require a well-balanced diet. Feed them with fresh hay, pellets, and a variety of vegetables and fruits. Make sure they have access to fresh, clean water at all times. Guinea pigs are social animals, and they need daily interaction and exercise. Provide them with toys, tunnels, and hiding spots to keep them entertained and stimulated. And if possible, consider getting them a companion. To maintain your guinea pig's health, monitor their behavior and appearance regularly. Look out for signs of illness, such as lethargy, loss of appetite, or diarrhea. Take them to a veterinarian if necessary. Lastly, guinea pigs need regular grooming. Brush their fur to prevent matting and hairballs, trim their nails, and clean their ears and teeth. By following these essential aspects of guinea pig care, you'll create a happy and healthy environment for your furry friend. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more pet care tips.